How's it going, YouTube? I'm the Cracker Guy. Before we jump right into this video, I want you to quickly look on my screen to see if you can spot the few changes I've actually made on my PC to make it a little bit different from the default Windows 11 we all know. So yeah, just 2 seconds. Alright, let me just quickly show you right now. So if you look on this window right here, you're going to find a blue tiny border that is showing here. The border has a color, and if you come down here, you're going to find the taskbar also have a color. If you open up the window, it has a color. Now we might all be familiar with this one, changing the color of, I don't know whether it's called it the theme or something, but you see this border right here, it is new. I don't know if it was on the Windows 10 though, but the thing is that everyone can actually get this as far as you're using the Windows 11. I still don't know if it's on the Windows 10. You can pretty much change this border to any single color you want, but it doesn't just end there, because I want you to quickly look at my screen right now. I'm just going to do something, hopefully you catch it. So I'm just going to shake this and boom, it minimizes every single window that was in the background. I don't know if you saw that one, but I'm going to shake it again and it will bring back every single thing. I can understand why this was not activated by default, but come on, it's actually fun. You can also do this by also going to this little edge right here. You see on the Windows 10, you need to just hover your mouse there and everything is going to go. But as you can see, I'm hovering my mouse here right now and nothing is actually moving. I bet you have not actually tried clicking it, because if you click it, it's going to actually do what it was meant to do. So if you click on it back again, it also does the same thing, except from, it minimizes every single thing. So it's a cool trick. But you see, there is actually more. If I go ahead and press the Windows and then the V on my PC, it will open up something called a clipboard. That is a clipboard. All right, let me quickly pop up Notepad. So you see, when you quickly open up Notepad and you have like let's say you have Notepad open, like, and you have a very huge huge document, and you want to just quickly copy here. Control C is your normal copy, then you come down and then you paste Control V, and then come down, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, paste the thing. All right, so if I go ahead and copy this, Control C, if you press onto the Windows, your Windows menu key, this button, you press on it and then press on V at the same time, it will open up, like I said, something that is called your clipboard, and you can literally find every single thing you've copied right here. So you see, this particular trick only applies to some keyboards on your smartphone, and this is actually helpful. That is if you do a lot of maybe work or something, and when you look at it, it has the two things that I've actually copied while I was typing. So I can go ahead and click on this one and then paste it here, and also do my Windows V to bring it up, and I can choose to either paste this one right here or this one. So I can go ahead and copy this, and then open my clipboard, and then boom, you find every single thing you copied. You can also use emojis. I don't know, I never thought that emojis was on PC. I don't know if it's on the Windows 10. If you come over to this place right here and click on it, it will bring out your normal emojis. The emojis we normally use. I think I can use it on my Notepad or something. So I'm just going to go ahead and Control V again. Where are you? Come out. I want to use this one. So apparently you can use GIFs as well. So they have all kinds of emojis, different kinds of emojis that we all know. Coming on to the next place, we also have GIFs. So if you have internet connection, you'll be able to see some cool GIFs right here. So this is actually cool. There are actually some more that you actually have to see at the end of this video, so stick around. It's going to be a short one. All right guys, let me just quickly run you through on how to get this working perfectly in your PC. So first of all, we need only just our settings app, so we need to just shake it off. So once you have the settings app open, if you don't know how to open your settings app, press the Windows key on your keyboard and type in settings. And once you type in settings, it should bring up the settings app. So just press enter and it will bring you up to this page. So we are going to be focusing on the system section. So we're going to go over to the system area on the left hand side, click on it, and it will bring up this little page right here. So we're going to scroll down a little bit to where we can find multitasking. So we're just going to click on it, and on this page I'm going to look for where it says title bar Windows shake. So it says when I grab a Windows title bar and shake it, it minimizes all other windows. Okay, so we need to make sure that this is turned on. So the second thing we also mentioned was these beautiful borders right here. So if you want to get this, we are going to go over to our settings app, obviously. Then on the left hand side, we're going to be going over to the personalization section area. So click on the personalization, and then over to the right hand side, we're going to be clicking on the colors section. So click on colors, and then it should bring up this little option page. It should bring up this beautiful page right here. So if you don't have your accent color selected, look for the app's accent color option, click on it, and then you should bring up this color tray right here. So what we're looking for is at the bottom. So show accent color on title bar and window borders. So this is going to be the option we need to be turning on right away. So click on this option, and you should have this beautiful border displayed on your Windows. If you also want to make it show on your taskbar, we also need to make sure this option is activated. So if you don't like blue like me, you're going to go ahead and select it. So we can go ahead and choose red, and then if you press our Windows option, it will bring up a red this thing. The third thing we also mentioned was the clipboard. So if you want to get the clipboard option, we're going to go back to the system option. This one is a bit complicated, but it's as easy as ABC. Go back to the system, click on it, and then scroll down. I don't know why this will carry this clipboard. I'm gonna put on the last as in alphabetical order is supposed to be up, so it's down here. Clipboard, wonderful feature. Click on it, turn on this switch, and then you can be able to press the Windows key plus the V, and it will bring up your little clipboard right here. So guys, that will wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That is, press the like button. I really wanted to make this video so badly. I found out some of these tricks last night. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please press the like button, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Peace. You don't have to click on any of these things. You just have to move your mouse. I am not going to click. I'm just going to hover on this option right here. It brings up my list of desktop. I haven't clicked on anything. If I want to go over to my desktop too, I just push my mouse to the desktop too, and then it takes me back to my previous desktop